I'm curious, for those that make videos on YouTube, are you using the new Studio Beta or the old Creator Studio Classic? Leave it down below. Let me know what you're doing or how you're doing it or anything you've got about it. Other people will read it too. My thing about it, I have been doing as much as I can in the new Studio Beta that I can. And I've slowly learned stuff. I finally learned how to do end screens in there. Yeah! On my last video, that was the first time I've ever done an end screen. I know they're updating and fixing things and making it easier to use, but man, it's tough. You get used to that old thing. I mean, my wire. I saw a squirrel, sorry. So, that was hilarious. So, darn bell. So anyway, I know the old Creator Studio Class is going away. It's Papa. Have a fantastic rest of the weekend. I know I will. What, Papa, what are you doing this weekend? Well, if you're still here, let me put that little piece of paper down. I'm supposed to double the batch of tortillas that I made last week. I'm supposed to double the batch of garlic butter that I made last week because we ran out way too fast. Other family members got to have some of it, but some family members didn't, and they heard about it, so now they want some. So I'll be doing that. And I'm gonna try some flour. I'm gonna fry some flour tortillas and see what that turns out like. I'm not sure. Never done that in my life. I don't think. Huh. Where's Papa? If you're not on my main channel, somewhere around here I'll leave a link to my main channel. Battery saying it's almost dead. It's Papa. See you later. See ya. Yeah.